Eh. Erza? What? You have the hiccups? No. I think you do. Why? I don't know. Normally it ignores me and it makes me want to kill myself. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Do you want me to call a doctor? Oh, yeah, sure. Where's your high voice? Oh, it's back, alright. Hey, you called for a hiccup specialist? You're a hiccup specialist? I'm just filling in for Gray because he's taking a day off. Oh, okay. How do we get rid of those hiccups? Normally I have to take a look in there, so open wide, say, oh my god, it smells like peppers. Have you played Jenga lately? No. Oh my god, it's not like that because I play Jenga too. Do you want my code for it? Like the username code? No, I'm good. Oh, okay. Help me get rid of those hiccups. Fine. Alright, let's get started. So the first one we're gonna do is BOO! That didn't work at all. Yeah, it didn't work. Hey, please get off of me. Fine. So, I'm gonna have to get some stuff out of there, so I'll be right back. Okay. Hey, the first one we're gonna do is the fall thing. What if I hurt myself? You won't. Okay. Okay, down you go. Did it work? Oh, no. Alright, let's try something else. Okay, I just grabbed some salt, so here, smell it. Did it work? Oh, no. It didn't work. Fully. Next try holding your breath. Holding my breath? Yeah, okay. Did it work? No. Oh, fully. What else? Let me see. I don't know what to say, but you're gonna have hiccups for the rest of your life. Legal Rob, and I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life. Hey, stop it. Get away! It didn't work. It was a fly. I know, it's trying to eat my face. Wait a minute. Your hiccups are gone. Wait, really? Wait, I get that fly, and then oh no! What? Okay, I'll get the mat. Boo!